Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Glue. I'm so glad you're here. So our entry has officially closed for the 4 gifts for the great sparkle giveaway. Anyway, so what I did is everyone that entered, I put your names on this little sparkling glue wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and spin it live. Well, it's recorded, obviously, but recorded live. um, and let's see who wins the gift. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see. All right, we're spinning. Let's see what happens. And it looks like Angela Willett. And I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'm sorry if I didn't. Congratulations, Angela. If you don't mind contacting me, and you can do it if you're on our Facebook group, go ahead and instant message me. If you're in our Ko-fi shop, you can do a private message there. I just need your address so where I can send the 4 gifts to you that I made, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'm sure we'll be doing this again soon. Thank you everyone so much that entered. And anyway, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Next video. Take care.